exposing the hidden gems of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Let's dive into this untapped treasure. The DRC is a land of stunning landscapes and rich culture. Picture this: lush rainforests, majestic mountains, and the mighty Congo River flowing through it all. But that's just the beginning. Ever heard of Virunga National Park? It's home to the endangered mountain gorillas. Imagine trekking through the jungle and coming face to face with these gentle giants. Unforgettable. The culture, vibrant and diverse. From the rhythm of traditional music to the colorful markets bustling with life, the DRC is a cultural mosaic. The people are warm and welcoming, each with stories that add to the rich tapestry of this nation. And the history profound and resilient. The DRC has a complex past, but its spirit remains unbroken. Visiting here is not just a trip, it's a journey through time and humanity. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the heart of Africa. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is calling. Don't miss out on this incredible adventure.